یار یہ ہربل ایریا بہت اچھا, ہمارا چائے بہت ٹیسٹی, بہت lovely. Please visit us and try our tea because one sip worth a million of words. We have started this initiative long way ago, and during this pandemic and post-pandemic this become more popular. We are using these herbs in two major areas at our hotel, mainly the kitchen and the spa. For the kitchen side, as you know, we are using very organic and 100% natural herbs like thyme, rosemary to garnish our dishes. Being an alternative medicine doctor, and I am heading the spa and recreational section in the Islamabad Serena Hotel, we know each and every property, healing property of these herbs, and we have adopted and developed our programs to use them in our treatment. For example, after arrival to the spa, we are serving you with a lovely hibiscus tea, which is an immunity booster. Now, many people, they would love to hear this word nowadays because we all need that. And what you don't know about the hibiscus tea, that it is rich with vitamin C, which we all right now seeking to have. Here we collect the voila herbs from the garden, or we boil them with hot water. थोड़ा शहद और भी डाल दूँ, 5-15 मिनट के वेट, और इसके बाद serve it for your beloved one. We are having a wide variety of thyme, mint, peppermint and basil in our garden, and all those things are anti-inflammatory, and they do have a very good property to help you easing the cold and to clearing your respiratory system. On the other hand, we are using these herbs also in our lovely spa. We are using them for tea, we are using them for treatments. For example, like we do have a very nice full body scrub in our spa, which is called basil and mint, and the basil and mint are coming all the way from this beautiful garden. Besides that, Pakistan is a very well-known country for exporting the herbs. It's been known for the centuries that Pakistan, or the subcontinent in general, they are the land of the spices and the herbals. So even the Ayurvedic treatment have came all the way from this lovely land. बना सकते, बिल्कुल बना सकते. Next to your entrance to the home, rosemary will help you to protect your home from the mosquitoes. It is a flies rebellions, and it is a mosquito rebellions. For example, if you are using basil in the morning when you wake up to have your chai, the doodh batti, you are going to enjoy the smell of the rosemary next to you as we are enjoying it right now. And if you go back in the good days, our grandmothers used to have these herbs next to their entrance to the home. So that is the main idea, and that is from where it came. Wo herbs, they are all 100% local. They are coming from the parkland of Pakistan. And we have just collected them from different areas in Pakistan, and we provided them with the most suitable environment to grow up. For example, basil, thyme, hibiscus, and even the lemongrass, the aloe vera, the lime, the parsley and the coriander, they are used in Pakistan. I would love you all to use these things, which is a blessing from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to be in this land and to be used without literally any cost or very minimum cost.